All right, I just noticed something. This thing really does a really good job of collecting dust, but this has got a hole in it. So I wonder if this comes out here. Oh, it does. Look at that. Rubber. What if I just made that bigger? Like way bigger. I can make it longer. I've got some Gaffers tape right here, and I'm gonna wrap it around here. We're just gonna come around and we're gonna beef this up. Because that thing gets hit with quite a bit of shit. This is a 12-inch Hitachi. I don't know what year it was made. Pretty freaking old. But if we could beef anything up to make it catch any more dust, that'd be amazing. Wrap it around here, come over on this side. We're gonna add like an inch to the bottom of it.
Really?
It shouldn't interfere with anything. I'm gonna do one more. All the way across. Fantastic. Oh, step it down inside there. I'm gonna flip it back over itself. We're making this thing extra long, and I'm gonna get rid of that right now. We don't want the sawdust sticking to the inside. And just take this and flip it over itself. We're being ingenious. We're like Wile E. Coyote.
Super genius.
All right, one more little piece here. Gaffer's tape is the best. Sticks to everything, doesn't leave residue. I don't know what the deal is. More expensive than duct tape, that's for sure. And this is called gafferspower.com, made in America. America. Here we go. You know it's good. It looks like heck, right? A little crooked and all sorts of weirdness. I'm just gonna come across here and straighten her up. There it is. It's a thing of beauty. Squeeze it all together. But now we slide that up into here. That's why I never get any work done. I'm always like, oh, look at this. And I fiddle paddle with things. Look at that. Ugh. Well, it's shot through there pretty good. There it is. Slides back, it's flexible, does all the things, and I've just added probably a good inch and a half to that thing, and it's super flexible and bends. Super cheap and easy. There we go, right there. That's what I'm all about. Here, let's do that again. Where's a piece of wood? Cut me a piece of wood. Here we go. Does it catch it all? No. We're still gonna create a little mess here, but I don't really care. Far out, fancy free, baby.
Subscribe now.